To move up or not to move up? That is the question many homeowners right now are asking themselves. I'm going to talk with my boy, also Magnum PI, Sidney Poritz in the Hawaiian shirt. Sid, you're probably talking to a lot of buyers or prospective buyers in this situation. What's the best advice you can give them?
So I'm wearing the shirt because spring is coming, and I'm hoping for more inventory, and it's time for the market to heat up, okay?
Manifest it.
It's coming, all right? So talking with a lot of clients right now, a lot of things are going on with multiple offers. How can I sell my property, buy a new one? How can I get that money out? And I think, we've touched base on this a little bit before, but, using your equity to purchase another property to make your offer more competitive in this market. And I think that being able to go non-contingent right now is important. So let's talk about a way we can
buy
do that.
First. Right?
Buy first, that's right.
So your options when it buy first are obviously utilize the equity that you have by maybe tapping into it, equity line, bridge loan, something like that. Obviously, if you're financing it, any more you finance, more interest you pay.
Sure.
We just kind of understand that. But I'll bring up an interesting scenario that most people aren't familiar with. And that is that, say you buy your new house first with a minimal amount of down payment.
Okay.
Then you sell your house after. You come into that net equity, and now you're like, well, what do I do with that? I want a smaller mortgage payment. Most people don't know that you can take that money, put it down on your mortgage, and ask your mortgage servicer to do what's called a recast.
Yep.
So there's going to be somewhat of a transactional fee, a few $100s. Typically, the minimum amount that you need to put is at least $10,000. Which again, if you just sold your house, probably got significantly more than that.
Sure.
And they're going to basically re-amortize your loan at what the new balance is against the remaining months. So if you're still early in that loan, you're going to see your monthly payment go down significantly.
Yeah, and I mean, that's a huge advantage if we're talking to our clients about this, to let them know, because a lot of people think traditionally, wow, I can't really buy another property until I sell my other one. And how am I going to get that money out before to make a competitive offer? So this philosophy gets you in the front door and is probably going to get you in a winning situation versus being put at the back of the line in multiple offer situations. So
talk about selling your house after you've already moved out and maybe what an advantage that is as well.
I would say, chances of getting the highest and best offer is that scenario, right?